Hello everyone, Troy here. I'm currently here at my hotel in Ximending in Taiwan. Not really Joshi related, but I thought it would be a fun sort of idea if I brought you guys along with me for this really quick trip I'm doing to Shilin. If you're not aware, Shilin has one of the most famous night markets here in Taiwan. If you're not familiar with a night market is, there's a lot of different food stalls that offer different types of snacks. And I thought it would be fun if I sort of, recorded the whole experience, talked about the different foods that I'll be trying and seeing which ones I like, which ones I may not like too much. I'm excited. I'll see you guys there. So we're here right now sa Shilin Night Market. Wow! So, papasok kami. We're going to go in now. Let's go.
一见中夜，请家人正在小心，请至丽江。
So we are here at Hot Star Large Fried Chicken first because I've heard lots of good reviews. I'm here with Mommy.
Yes.
Ano orderin natin sa Hot Star?
Hot star, regular.
Regular plain lang. Bakit hindi maanghang?
Baka too spicy and I want to taste the original.
Original flavor
flavor.
muna. As you can see, there's lots of people in line.
Like
Because
a
I think
letter S.
it's really sikat talaga siya. Hot Star Fried Chicken. So nalaman ko na meron pala nito sa SM Mega Mall. Na na-try na nakaibigan ko. Pero, try natin. So double XL and no flavor. Although meron siyang pepper. Isa pa, walang meat na sumama. Sarap na. Lasang chicken chops. Chicken chops. I think ang selling point niya is double XL siya. Pero masarap naman siya. Siguro I'll give it mga 7 over 10. On our list is whatever this is, but they're selling fried milk. But, mabango siya. Diyan siya, pinafry.
Milk butter.
Milk bag.
Instead of flour, I think milk.
So, anong laman niya sa tingin mo? Gatas?
Gatas din siguro yun.
Gatas lang. Okay, so ito yung fried milk balls. Bagong prito pa siya. Mainit-init pa siya. Masarap.
Like,
Really good.
taste like.
Milk talaga siya. Para siyang, alam mo yung mga, may pagka-ice cream ang, para siyang ice cream na mainit. Yung mga fried ice cream, I'll give it mga 8 out of 10.
The milk in the cream pop tastes like that. Yung paligid, I think naglagay siya ng konting powder. Though, flour pa din yung base.
Harina na lang.
Good naman.
Look yung mga labubu, naka-claw machine. Actually, we all know na mga labubu lang mga yan. But like, it's cute. Next one, peanut ice cream roll. Peanut ice cream roll. That's how they do it. So sabi ni Mommy, that's really how they made halo-halo before. Like yung shaved ice, inigis-gis natin siya sa shaver before we had all of these fancy machines. So yun siya. Ang tawag dyan, shaver.
Ice.
Panggis-gis.
Pangkuskus in Tagalog.
Kuskus.
Not is
Kuskus pa
ice.
yun. So pwede daw mix. So vanilla and taro.
Okay, okay. Let's try. With some one soy. That's one soy.
Yan lang ako nakatingin ng ice cream na may kasamang gulay. Mukha lang siya burrito, di ba?
Open mo.
Taste
Try.
test. Mmm! Kita mo agad yung peanut brittle, yung ice cream vanilla, yung side na nakagatang
How,
ko.
how about the one soy? It blended well.
Honestly, hindi ko siya malasahan.
Konti lang kasi.
Pero,
The peanut.
yung peanut lasadong lasado, super good.
Kasi brittle siya.
Brittle siya, crispy. I give it 9 out of 10. Okay, so si Mommy naman ang titikin.
I think mint also pwede. Mint with.
Mint.
But masarap with one soy. May kakaibang twist.
Nalasama ba yung wansoy?
Pinapatay niya yung lasa ng tamis.
Pinapatay niya. Kaya ni Mommy na pepper or sesame buns. Sesame buns. That's how they cook it. Nakadikit siya sa gilid. Para maganda yung background. Ano yan, Mami?
Pork pepper bun.
Hinanap niya tong
Smells so
sesame buns na to. Mabango daw.
Ah, it's so hot.
is good. It's different from siopaw. The bun is good.
Mainit.
Daming spices sa loob.
Diba? It's kind of different from the siopaw.
Para siyang siopaw pero gets ko na iba siya.
Pero iba. Because of the mga spices. Scallion.
Ito siya guys. May pepper, beef pa no? Pork. Pork kinuha namin pero tingnan mo ang daming gulay. 10? Bigyan ng 10 out of 10. Deserve 10 out of 10. Okay, we're doing Taiwan sweet potato ball. For our last snack dito sa Shili Night Market. Kumuha tayo ng sweet potato ball. Plain lang para matry natin. Sure rin. Actually, meron siyang yung mga purple. Pero ito yung susubukan natin. Hollow talaga siya. Walang laman. Maganda siyang pang midnight snack.
Kamote, the musical fruit.
Yung pampaano. I'll give it 8 out of 10. Sarap ng dessert.
Yun lang.
Ito yung hometown barbecue chicken, pero tingnan niyo yung pila. Tingnan mo yung pila. Just, pipilahan mo ba yan? Parang ano pamatay. Ano kaya yung nasa barbecue chicken na yan?
Pero parang fried siya na iniihaw eh. Ganun yung peg eh. Kita mo ba?
Fried tapos inihaw. Ano yun?
Oo, kasi
Sabay?
May breading siya eh. Hindi mo nakita?
Hindi.
Naka-bread na siya.
You know, haba ng pila hanggang dito. Patawid na kami na may pila pa rin.
Ako hindi ako happy.
So currently we're here na sa Jiantan. Yeah, Jiantan station ng MRT. Pabalik na kami ng Ximending. We're going back to the hotel na. But it was really fun. Night market experience. I think ang pinaka-favorite ko is peanut ice cream. Tsaka yung sweet potato balls. Thanks for watching!